How to convert Facebook account to page. How to convert Facebook account to page. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can convert Facebook account to a page. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. First step, you will need to open up your Facebook. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After you're there, simply head over to the menu on the bottom right and then tap on your profile's name to go to your profile. So after you're on your profile, what you'll need to do is you'll need to tap on the three dots that is right beside your edit profile option. So tap on it, and after you've tapped on it, scroll down. Now after you scroll down for a bit, you will see an option that says turn on professional mode. Now you cannot turn on professional mode if you have your profile locked, so make sure that you unlock your profile, and after you do that, simply tap on turn on professional mode. Again, tap on turn on and wait for a while till it loads. So after it loads, you will see the welcome option. Now you can tap on next, next and more here. So you can choose your default audience. I'll just choose public here. Now tap on next again and confirm your settings. Now you will see the monetization tools too. Tap on next and now tap on next again. And you will see the profile frame. You can change your profile frame if you want to. I'll just skip it. So as you can see right here, now my professional mode is started. And if I go back to my profile here, you will notice that my profile is now a page. And yeah, that is how you do it guys. And that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.